What if you could build your own AI-powered SDR? A sales development rep that works 24/7, never misses a follow-up, and takes care of your entire outbound process for you. Think about it. No more endless hours prospecting on LinkedIn. No more manually validating emails. No more copy-pasting cold email templates into Gmail. And no more forgetting to follow up. Instead, you've got an SDR that runs on autopilot, generating leads, writing personalized emails, and managing your pipeline while you sleep. And the best part? You don't need to hire anyone. You don't need code. All of this can be built in N8n using powerful workflows that work together seamlessly. And to make things even easier, you can get this entire workflow for free to copy into your N8n workspace. Here's the system we're building today. First, a lead generation workflow turns plain English audience descriptions into enriched validated prospect lists. Second, an email outreach automation that takes those same enriched leads, generates personalized cold email with AI, does automated follow-ups, automatic logging, keeps your CRM up to date without you lifting a finger. By the end of this video, you'll see how these workflows combine into a fully functioning AI SDR that can scale your outreach, keep your pipeline moving, and give you more time to focus on closing deals instead of chasing leads. Now let's jump into N8n and I'll show you how this all works. The first step in any SDR process is building a targeted lead list. Normally, you'd spend hours manually filtering in LinkedIn Sales Navigator. With this workflow, you can describe your ICP in plain English, and within minutes, you'll see a validated list of leads, complete with names, job titles, company details, and verified emails, all populating into your sheet or CRM. No CSV exports, no manual filtering, just ready to use prospects. Here's how it works at a high level. You describe your audience in your own words. For example, senior positions at fintech startups in Toronto with fewer than 50 employees, or companies doing 10 to 50 million in revenue in the United States. You can type it in like this, or you can use voice to text. Once you hit submit, the system automatically translates the description into structured search filters, sends them into Wiza's API, waits for the list to be generated, and then drops the contacts directly into your database. Now, let's break down the nodes that make this all happen. It all starts with a simple form submission. I type in the campaign name and ideal customer description, and that kicks off the workflow. From here, N8n sets the Smartlead campaign details from the form data in the exact format Smartlead expects. Next, it calls Smartlead's create a campaign endpoint, which spins up a brand new campaign automatically, including follow-ups. The campaign ID, name, and creation date are all captured, and then the workflow creates and schedules the campaign in Smartlead so I can track it. So without touching Smartlead's dashboard, I've got a live campaign created and tracked. Next, an AI agent takes that description and translates it into a structured filter that Wiza's API understands. Things like job titles, industries, company sizes, or revenue ranges. From there, the workflow calls Wiza's create prospect list endpoint to kick off the search. A wait note then gives Wiza a little bit of time to build the list, and it loops until the status comes back as complete. Once it's ready, the workflow pulls down all of the finished records, complete with validated emails, phone numbers, LinkedIn profiles, job titles, company details, and so much more. The split node breaks down that dataset into individual contacts, so each lead can be processed on its own. And finally, everything gets saved into a database for easy review. I'm using N8n tables in this demo, but you can swap it out for HubSpot, Salesforce, Airtable, or really any CRM that connects with N8n. The end result? A clean, validated lead list generated from nothing more than plain English description of your ideal customer profile. Now that we have our leads, the next step is turning them into real conversations. This is where we bring in AI and Smartlead to handle the personalized outreach and follow-ups automatically. Before we dive into the workflow itself, there's one quick thing that you'll need to set up in Smartlead. You'll need to add the email accounts that you'll be sending from Smartlead. Go into the Smartlead dashboard, connect the accounts that you want to use, and those will be the ones available for the campaign. Now for the fun part, automating outreach. Let's hop back into N8n. Whenever leads are added to the sheet, the workflow starts automatically. An AI research agent takes over. It runs a quick SWOT-style analysis using Perplexity and OpenAI. From there, it organizes the lead details, name, title, company, and location, and adds any business context I want to pass along, like our offer or positioning. That context is then handed off to the Icebreaker generator. OpenAI crafts a short, punchy opener and subject line, and the structured output parser makes sure that everything comes back clean and ready to go. Now the lead and Icebreaker are packaged into Smartlead's required format. And since Smartlead only accepts 100 leads per call, N8n automatically batches them into groups of 100. Finally, the workflow pushes the leads straight into the campaign through the Smartlead API. From there, Smartlead sends a hyper-personalized email to the lead, kicking off the email campaign sequence. Smartlead will handle the email sequencing, and you can track open rates, replies, and everything else through the Smartlead dashboard. So what does this mean? Campaigns are created and tracked automatically. Emails are validated and come pre-enriched with Wiza's lead list. Leads are researched with AI. Icebreakers are written for you. Everything is batched properly, and the whole process is logged back into your sheet or CRM for full visibility. This turns what used to be hours of manual work into one smooth, automated system running inside N8n. And remember, all of this can be swapped out for the tools that you already use. Logic stays the same, but the exact nodes and templates can be customized to your own workflow. Once again, you can grab the free workflow templates in the link in the description. You'll also find a link to get your Wiza API Key so you can generate and enrich leads right away. This is just a start. In the next video, I'll show you more ways to use the official Wiza node inside your N8n workflows. Go build something amazing with it, and I'll see you in the next one.